What's going on, everyone? Got a 2024 Honda Accord key fob. You need to replace your battery. We're going to open up this key fob here. Okay, so what you want to do, or what some people say to do, is go ahead and remove the door key first, and then you can come over here and we're going to split the case open. You can do it this way, but I find it kind of harder to do. I like to do these with the key inside of it at first. You can get yourself a small flathead screwdriver, remote facing like this, and then you're going to carefully go in between the key and the back panel here as carefully as you can without trying to damage the remote. Okay, I'm trying to be careful here, and just pop it like, okay, once you get in there like that, just pop it up. Okay, now once you have it like this, you're going to want to take the key out. All right, hold the remote like this. You don't want to hold it upside down or anything, because it will just fall out of here, and then you just pop the battery out. I'll show you what size the battery is once we get it out. Battery is a CR2032 battery. It says right here on the front of it. Positive sign facing out towards us. Just slide it in just like this. Lock it in with your new one. If you need a new one, there's a link in the description box and in the comment box. Takes you to Amazon, where you can pick up a brand new Panasonic battery. Actually, two of them. It's a 2-pack for like $5. So when we go to put this back, it can be a little bit hard. I like to put it together on the top first, and then just work my way down and snap it down, and then put the door key back in, and you're all done. But yeah, when you a lot of times, that's not all the way in. This thing can be a little finicky, a little tricky. There you go. A lot of times people want to, or I've done it in the past, where you can pry it like this and open it up, and it doesn't damage the remote, but it's really, really hard. You got to be careful that you don't break this little piece right here. So, well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you could hit the subscribe button for me, leave me a comment, and hit that like button. Would really appreciate some support for the channel, and thanks for watching.